Hi everybody. So I'm going to show you guys a common oil leak that the 7.3s have. It's the dipstick O-ring. We're going to be changing out the O-ring. What we're going to have to do is disconnect the dipstick tube, disconnect the batteries, and underneath here we're gonna have to take out the starter so we'll have some room. It's right up here. You can see that it's been leaking, and somebody, looks like they had some epoxy stuff all over it. And now we've got the starter out of the way. As you can see, it's got all this epoxy. So we need to clean that up. Put some brake clean on and get all the oil off. Alright, I chipped it off with a little hammer. Got majority of it off. Next I'm gonna take this little brush I've got, it's cleaning an M16. I'm gonna stick it down the little hole here. Alright. I'm gonna put a wire to the end of it so I can tie it off to something. Yeah, pipe wrench is not preferred method. That's all I got at the moment. Now here's the new one. The old one compared to the new one. A little bit different. Crazy how much that one swell up. Okay. Alright, so I've got the dipstick back attached again. You're going to need to push it back down into the flange. What it is, I took an upside down extension with a socket on the end, put it on the end here, so I get a good push on it. I just pushed on it as hard as I could, get it back into the tube, and then I reattached this little clamp.